What's your name? Big truck. Isaiah. Isaiah. What's your name?
Riley.
Riley. And what's your name?
Mackenzie.
How old are you?
3.
How old are you?
2.
And how old are you?
3.
No, you're almost 2. Can you say this? 2.
2.
What do you love?
Daddy.
You love Daddy?
Yeah.
Who do you love?
Daddy.
Daddy? And who do you love?
Riley.
Oh, you love Riley. We all love Riley too.
Mama.
And Mama.
I love Daddy and Mama. And Riley. Daddy. Mama. And Riley.
Aw.
And Riley. No, I'm saying Riley right now. And you're not saying, but also you're not saying somebody. Okay, Riley, let's play together. Kiss.
Give kisses.